My name is Daisy. I'm in level 6 and I'm studying special educational needs, disabilities and inclusion studies. I've definitely learned a lot about disability and inclusion, just as a whole, really. I've learned more about myself, I've learned more about other people, I've definitely become more confident. I feel accomplished and I feel happy that I've got the knowledge and the experience to help people with special needs. My class is quite small, so we all kind of help each other, and the lecturer, it's kind of like one-to-one, like you can have one-to-one support whenever you want, really. And then our personal tutors help us, and it's great. I want to say we've all impacted each other's lives just by being here together and helping each other. I did my placement in level 5. I went to special needs, like a unit in a college, and that was really helpful. Go for it, just do it, and you feel really accomplished. I definitely recommend my course because it's helped me a lot. Yeah, it's great. I'm really happy I did it. Come to Wolverhampton University!